Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm the Heat Seeker. If you can take a quick moment of your time, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell notification. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. I definitely appreciate it. So today I'll be eating these two pods right here. I have a mustard Moruga brains crossed with a Gator Jigsaw. And lighting is not working with me here. There we go. Subscriber Steve sent me these, and he sent me some that were more of a mustard color, and then a couple of these that came out real chocolate. I'm also going to be eating this right here. It's a caramel 7-pot Defcon, and that is just a crazy looking pod right there too. It's beautiful. Now I'm eating them together for no particular reason except the fact that they're both about to get soft. So I need to get them ate. So I'm going to just go ahead and compare and contrast. See what they have to offer. Let me crack into this one. I'm going to do the mustard Moruga brain first. Yeah, it's starting to get soft down there toward the stem. I have my phone in a box to keep some of the wind away. I keep bumping the box. That smells good. Alright, y'all, check it out. Look at that pith. Pith is this center part, y'all, where the seeds are attached to. It's got a pretty good sized one. Has a really good smell. It's mild. A little bit of a chocolatey smell to it, but not really. As I recall, the last chocolate that was crossed like this smelled a lot like a mustard pod, and this one kind of has that mustard smell to it too. So that's pretty cool. Alright. So, let's get eating this thing. That was a lot of pepper. Whew. So I had a very mustard kind of flavor at first. Then it went real floral, real bitter, back to floral, and now it's having a little hints of bitterness again. It just kind of keeps going back and forth, little waves. I wish I had some information on Scoville heat units, but this is kind of a new strain, so it's never been tested. It is kicking up on my tongue really good right now. Let's see, like the front and the sides of my tongue burning real good. Let's see where it builds to. Thank you, Steve. Thank you so much for the awesome pods, man. He hooked me up good. They have been delicious and smoking hot. I say I gotta be at a 4, pushing a 5 right now. That's all on my tongue. A little bit on my gums, but mostly on my tongue. That's the top of the tongue burner. That's a really good pod. I really like the flavor of it. I'm not usually big about bitter and floral flavors, but this one was mild enough that it was nice. Well, that tongue's on fire. I think we're probably at a 5 pushing a 6 right now. That's a good tongue burn. That's good and hot. Good job growing that, man. Excellent. So I'll let that keep burning a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this one. This caramel 7-pot Defcon. That's a really neat looking pepper. It's got some neat colors to it. Kind of goes from a dark brown to a lighter brown and kind of a reddish tint to it. That's really cool. Alright, let's crack it open, check out the inside. Alright. Just making sure everything's okay with it. It is getting a little soft on me. I've had it for a little while. So, there you can kind of see the inside a little better. My lighting isn't the greatest because I'm trying to battle wind. So, I got pretty good sized pith in there. Now, Clayton Hollingsworth sent me this. Big shout out to Clayton. I have a link in the description for his email address. And he's been sending me a lot of really, really hot pods. They've been really delicious. I think I'm going to have to cut this one little corner out. I don't know if y'all can see it. Right down here. There's no pith or anything right there. I think it's just on the edge of the pith, but that looks like it's a little too soft for me. Let me get a napkin real quick. Wow. That Moruga brain got my sinuses running good. Alright. So, I'll try to get this on just so you don't see. That's all it took. Just a little bit of the outer edge of the pod. Keep bumping my camera. As you can see, the pith is still all intact. I just had to take that one little corner. Oh, I did want to grab some seeds. I haven't even tried this one before, so there's a couple little seeds. Yep, some seeds real quick. For those of you who don't know, I've said this in pretty much every one of my videos, but the seeds don't actually have the heat. It's the pith, the middle fleshy part, right in here. This part, that's where the mass majority of the heat is. That's where the oils are, most of them. And so when you take the seed, it doesn't do anything for the heat. It's a big misconception because the seeds are attached to the hottest part. But anyway, I got a jet going over. That Moruga brain Gator Jigsaw, that ended like right now. It's burning on the sides of my tongue toward the back. Like it kind of moved around a little bit. That was nice. I think it's died down enough to eat this. All right. So that was a weird flavor. Had kind of a sour flavor to it. Kind of sour and kind of floral. When I say sour, kind of a... I don't really want to say lemony because it wasn't real citrusy. Oh, I got a tear. It wasn't really citrusy, but it had that lemon kind of sour to it. Interesting. A little bit of bitterness. It could have been seeds. I had a lot of seeds in there. That was an interesting flavor. It's a bit different. Wasn't really great. Wasn't really bad though. So I got more tears coming down. Eyes just lighten up. You see all. All right, let's see what this builds to. Right now it's on the sides of the back of my tongue. I think there's going to be another tongue burner. Seems to be building on the top of my tongue and the back sides, back toward the back of my throat. That's probably where that bitter sourness was burning back there. It's not really burning in my throat, but just on the back of my tongue. Oh, there's a tear sneaking down. Oh. So I'm at least at a 5 right now. I have a feeling it's going to build a little bit more. Got another tear coming down right here. Yeah, it's building a wicked tongue burn. Fly landing on me. I think that might have sneaked up to a 6. I think that's where that one's at. It's probably about a 6. Major tongue burn. If you're not used to these, don't even try either one of these, man. They are hot. Hot tongue burn. Making a lot of saliva come in my mouth. Oh, now it's raining. Well, I think it's going to max out about a 6. Well, thank y'all for joining me. Hit the like, subscribe, bell notification, and check out the link for Clayton Hollingsworth if you want some really hot pods. I know he's about done for this season, but you can hit him up for next season. Y'all have a good one.